public market, the heart of any town or city. It's a cornucopia of anything and everything you can find in that landscape. A public market is alive with the pulse of its community. You see all the local produce that the natives use to make their own specialties. They say that when you visit a new town and want to learn something about the locals, simply visit the market and you'll learn more about them than from any guidebook. And everything you find at the market is homegrown. More often than not, you'll only find a few of each, as these are merely grown in a backyard garden. And the people that sell them? Oh, so colorful in character and filled with the emotion of the place. And as you go through each market, you're bound to find some great treasures. Fruits, seeds, spices, endemic to that locality. Things that you could never find elsewhere. And it is from these little treasures that a locality's unique culinary culture is born. And everything there is done the old way, slowly, often laboriously. But it's because of this labor that the culinary culture of any locality becomes so unique. It's done with love and care, nothing rushed. This is the reality of life. The old ways now prove to be the better way.